Don't be afraid of rain. What are you doing here? Shelter from the rain? Exactly what I expected. Did you expect something? Did you have an umbrella? If you have it, there's no way you're standing here. I don't have either. Yes, I know. Why does it always rain in my life? Why I never have an umbrella? Let's just run. Don't be afraid of rain. Can you stop this rain? If you can, then why we are running? Is it because it's fun? Hey, look, I'm soaking wet. Better just walk. Definitely too tiring. I'm fine now. I can finally breathe. Look, rain is no big deal. Even though you are the only one who doesn't have an umbrella, it doesn't matter. Let yourself be raining. Rain and run. Don't make the rain an obstacle. Rain is a gift. Then, may I have a request? My wish is, I want you to love me. May I? Don't be afraid of rain.